Coronado Global Resources is a leading international producer of high-quality metallurgical coal, an essential element in steel production. Our coals, transformed in the steelmaking process, support the manufacture of everyday steel-based products, including renewable energy infrastructure that enrich lives around the world. We are one of the largest metallurgical coal producers globally, serving customers on 5 continents, from our operations in Australia and the United States. Our company has grown from humble beginnings, producing less than 0.5 million tons from our Greenbrier acquisition in 2013, to producing more than 16 million tons in 2022, and with plans to organically grow to 20.5 million tons by 2025. Coronado has a proven track record of successfully integrating, operating, and developing new assets, and has delivered more than $1.5 billion in distributions to shareholders since listing on the ASX in 2018. In 2014, Coronado acquired the Logan Complex in West Virginia, USA for $175 million, marking our second acquisition. Logan is a long-life asset with resources of 253 million tons of premium quality high-vol metallurgical coal. Currently, the Logan Complex operates 4 underground mines and 1 surface mine. The recently developed Winifred underground operation commenced in the 3rd quarter of 2022 and has proven to be a real success. In 2016, Coronado undertook its 3rd acquisition by purchasing the Buchanan Complex in Virginia, USA for $427 million. Since its acquisition, Coronado has developed the Buchanan mine to be one of the largest and lowest-cost metallurgical coal operations in the Central Appalachian Basin, producing 30 million product tons and earnings exceeding $1.7 billion. With resources of 208 million tons, Buchanan is a long-life asset producing low-vol hard coking coal and premium low-vol PCI coal. It is a very well-capitalized mine with 2 longwall mining systems, underground storage facilities, and a workforce second to none. Coronado has announced further expansions to the mine, with work commencing on the construction of a new surface raw coal storage area and the construction of a second set of skips to increase the mine's hoisting capacity to the surface. These expansion works help deliver our U.S. segment production target of 7 million tons per annum by 2025. The Curragh Mine, located within the Bowen Basin of Queensland, Australia, is a large open-cut mine producing high-quality, low-ash metallurgical coal products that are exported globally to leading steelmakers. Coronado acquired Curragh in 2018 for 700 million Australian dollars, making it the company's largest acquisition to date. The Curragh acquisition has proved to be a highly successful investment. Since acquisition, the mine has produced 57 million tons of product and generated earnings exceeding $1.4 billion. Strategic plans are in place to grow Curragh to 13.5 million tons by 2025. A key project within that plan is the Curragh North Underground Project. Following the completion of pre-feasibility study works in late 2022, it is envisaged that the underground project will achieve first coal in late 2024 and produce a quality of met coal similar to the existing Curragh North open-cut operations. This project is incremental to the existing Curragh North open-cut operation, thereby delivering more coal from the mine and optimizing existing preparation plant capacity. A board and pillar operation that utilizes the final open-cut high wall to gain direct access to the coal seams will significantly reduce upfront complexity, capital expenditure, and startup risk. Future phases will also exploit coal reserves under open-cut waste dumps. Coronado has extensive experience as underground miners, having operated longwall and board and pillar operations in the U.S. An exploration program to shore up operational design has commenced, and operational readiness team established. Coronado is dedicated to operating in an ethical and sustainable manner and supporting the communities in which we operate. In 2022, we committed to a 30% reduction in Scope 1 and 2 greenhouse gas emissions by 2030, a target we have tangible projects in place to meet. The Buchanan Ventilation Air Methane Project was commissioned in July 2022. This project uses the latest technology to convert fugitive methane gas emissions to carbon dioxide and is substantially reducing the mine's carbon footprint. In 2022, the VAM project achieved a 94% emission destruction efficiency. Overall projections from the VAM unit show a reduction in Buchanan emissions by approximately 60% by 2030. If these projections are achieved, this project alone will meet Coronado's 30% reduction target. Plans to install another VAM unit in 2024 are currently being engineered, given the success of the original unit. At Cura, significant progress is being made on the gas pilot project, targeting the capture and use of waste mine coal gas as a diesel substitute for our operating fleets. Drilling works have commenced, and it is envisaged that a fleet of 5 to 6 trucks utilizing the extracted gas will occur in the first half of 2024. It is anticipated that this project will realize a reduction in emissions at Cura, but also realize a reduction in costs, given the substitution of diesel for gas to power the fleet. Coronado continues to embrace the following principles as part of its strategic plans: to maintain a strong balance sheet, deliver shareholder returns, prioritize organic growth projects, retain flexibility for inorganic growth opportunities. These underlying principles have been established to ensure we continue to maintain a sustainable business for our customers, employees, community, and shareholders. As a company like no other, we are committed to maintaining our position as the world's leading metallurgical coal producer. The global demand for steel continues to grow, and while that demand continues, Coronado, with its strong balance sheet, long life assets, and growth potential, has a long-term future. Steel starts here.